These babies, these Ultra Boosts got me boosting. Look what did to my hair. Ultra Boosts are no joke, you guys. I love to wear me some Ultra Boosts while I'm training, because your girl be bouncing around. What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Huh? How y'all doing? I'm waiting. I don't hear anybody. No kidding. But comment below how you guys are doing, because you know that I genuinely love to know. Your girl cares about each and every single one of you. So today I'm going to show you some at-home HIIT exercises. What is HIIT? HIIT is high intensity interval training. So if you are looking to keep your muscle mass, the gains, and shred the fat, then keep on watching, because your girl is going to show you what she does with, of course, proper nutrition, water, etc, etc, etc. But I'm going to show you what I do to stay lean but still keep my muscle, because nobody ever wrote a song about a small booty. I'm just kidding. Shout out to all the small booties out there. We love you. I'm going to show you some high intensity interval training, and this is going to be powered by the matcha that I drink, because you know your girl has a cup a day, keeps the doctor away. Okay, so these are some good high intensity interval training cardio exercises that I do, because I'm not a cardio bunny. Everyone's different, everyone trains different, but you've asked me, so I'm about to tell you. So I will show you a few that are my favorites that really get your heart rate up, and then get your heart back down, get your heart back up, and that's what's going to burn the fat and keep the muscle. So if that's your goal, then keep watching, okay? Alright. Uno. We are going to tap the ground and fling up. So this is a jump squat. Okay? You're all gonna have your girl sweating in a minute. Now everybody take a shot, and I gotta take another one. Okay. So jump squat. Feet spread apart. I like to touch the ground to make sure I'm getting super low. And then really, when you fling up, really use your arms to boost yourself up in your Ultra Boost. And when you go up, you wanna make sure you point your toe, so you can really get that flex in the quad. Yeah, you see that right there? Okay, so down, touch the floor, spring up, spring up, spring up. And you see my form, how my butt always drives back, okay? So that is number one, the jump squat, which is one of the best full body, high intensity training. Next one, I'm going to bring this down a little bit so you can see where my hands go. Okay, here, this is going to also get you the outer thighs, the quads. Touch the floor, jump in, and back down. Okay, so this way. I'm touching the floor here, jumping up, pointing on my toes, but it's going to be so quick, you're going to go right back down. So full tap, full tap. Woo! Oh yeah. And that one gets the side bum bum. Okay. Next one, split lunge. Here, get down into a split lunge. First, check your form. Make sure your knee's not over your toe, because you will hurt your knees. Make sure you're straight back. The wall's right here. Lunge, switch, switch, switch. Swing your arms, you guys. Everybody swing your arms so you can get a full body workout, okay? This is supposed to be your cardio. So, front, lunge down, and right up. use your arms. Lunge, switch, switch, switch. Oh, I did legs today. My legs are on fire right now. So those are my three favorite, but jump rope is my other favorite. If you don't have a jump rope, simply pretend. Hey, use your imagination and just skip like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey. You can jump rope however you want. Jumping jacks, another good one. Make sure you have the full range of motion. And jump around. You guys, put on some music and do that thing. Do that thing. There's so many good ones. So those are some of my favorites. Jump rope, I love the jump rope. Jumping jacks, they're okay for me. The first three I do all the time. When I'm at the gym, I use weights with it or the kettlebell, and I do the kettlebell swing. Those squeeze and swing at the same time. Swing, squeeze. That's a really good full body one. If you guys have a kettlebell, you can do all this at home, literally. You can get a crazy good workout at home. There's no excuses. Like, those excuses that people tell me go right in here and right out the other. I'm like, all right, sorry. Nice talking to you, but I did not hear what you just said. So, if you literally want an at-home full body workout, you can do it anywhere, anytime. Another good one is burpees, which I'm sure you guys have seen burpees. I really don't want to do it, but I'll show you what a burpee is. Because you want to jump all the way up, down, out. Some people do a push-up and then get up. And I recommend always making sure you go back first before you jump up. So, arms up, down, back. Up, down, back. So, those are my favorites. You can do burpees, jump squats. The in and out is what I call the in and outers, where you jump out, tap in, and gets like your outer glutes really good, fired up. Lunge switches, quad burner, I swear, it's a killer. All these things you could do. Let's just say you did 3 rounds, 5 rounds, in between doing some bands, in between doing other stuff. Oh my god, you're in there like swimwear. Like, you got a whole full-on good workout. Like, you can even get past 30 minutes with that. But remember, a little bit goes a long way, you guys. So get up, get moving, get exercising. If you have to wake up a little bit earlier, wake up a little bit earlier. If you have to go to bed a little bit later, go to bed a little bit later. If you have to take a break, take a break. Just do what you could do to just get your body moving a little bit every day. Soon, watch, you're going to get addicted. I promise you, you're going to get addicted. And then the results are going to make you even more addicted, okay? And I can't wait to hear about it. So please, if you have any questions, hit me up here in the comments on my IG right here, and I'll see you all in my next video.